Alright, good morning stream. Today is a rainy day, which are my favorite days to stream. Just sets the mood, makes me feel sorry, my camera's bugging now. Makes my psychology feel a lot better, and so helps me think and be more calm. Alright, we just had the 4-hour open up, and most of my trades happen at this candle in this hour, and so let's just do markups. Actually, yo, how's it going, Max? Just gonna go through the strategy, the markups, and I'll be right on Discord. So strategy, first step, is it bearish or is it bullish? Second is areas of interest. Third is my entry model on 1 minute. Fourth is the higher time frame directions. Higher time frame setups, my bad. 5 is DXY. Now you'll see all of these take play once I get into a trade, and I'm too lazy to explain it right now. But yeah, so let's just do markups. So we've been in this range on gold now for a little bit, and we have some good levels in here. You can see we have a really strong daily up in here. You can see that we have some daily levels right here, some good ones. What else? I'm just gonna mark the line at the bottom closure right there. You can see we have some daily level closures up in this level. Nice. I'd say that's about it for daily. Going down to the 4-hour. What are some levels we are looking at? I would say that this is a good level. See some reactions to it. What else? This is a good level. Of course, we have that level. The box is good enough. Sweet 2-hour. Let's look at it. This is a 2-hour line, but it's less important, so I'm gonna make it a little darker. Same with this one, which is right on the box. I'm gonna lower the box just a tad. Yeah, it looks good. And then I think that's about it. I guess I can put a level here, but I doubt we're gonna come back up. On the 1-hour, all levels look like they're accounted for. Actually, we do have a little something right here. I'm gonna lower this again, just right there. I think that's all levels accounted for. So what we're expecting today, we got a lot of bearish momentum. If you look at the 1-hour, we got a range, and we just closed below the range. We got the bearish 1-hour close up. So now all we're looking for is either a continuation down to these levels, or we're looking for down to these levels, or we're looking for maybe a bottom wick first to continue bullish. If we do get that bottom wick first and it is looking like it's gonna flip bullish, I'm probably not gonna take a trade, just because that's really risky with all the bearish pressure right now. But I say that's what we're looking for the most part. If price doesn't come down too much more, I wouldn't really consider this much of a bottom wick. So yeah, I think if we're looking for anything, what the plan for today is to get the top wick, to come up here, get a top wick, and then to flip down to continue bearish. So like this is what the candle would look like. You'd have that, and you'd have a top wick. Yeah, that's probably what the candle's gonna look like, something like that. For the 2 hour, the 1 hour, 4 hours probably gonna close pretty bearish, but that's the plan for the day, is to see something like this happen, something like this form. 30 minutes. We also have a lot of closures up here, so we would like to at least get to here before we start considering sells. Same on the 15. Yeah, but mostly up here is where we're going to be looking at. So that's the plan for the day. And if it just ranges a little bit, that's alright. But we are expecting to see the top created first. And then as it comes up, that's what we want on higher time frame. And as it comes up, we want that nice shift, nice clear shift, so we can enter right here. Stops above the high. Enter right here, stops above the high. And we can continue down. And that will be what the trade is looking like today, probably. You can see that was steps 1 through 5 combined. Actually, I forgot DXY. So DXY is confluence with gold. If DXY is bearish, gold is bullish. And if DXY is bearish, gold is bearish. Wait, if DXY is bullish, gold is bearish. So right now you can see that DXY is going a little bullish. And sometimes DXY is finicky, so we're going to have to look at that. So let's just see this big bearish move down. That means DXY would have had to have been bullish from 7 to around 8:15. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah, it was pretty bullish from 7 to about 8:15. Yeah, so seems like we're having a little bit of a time delay on gold. DXY did this move at 6:30 to 8, and gold did this move from 7 to a little before 8:30. So they are a bit confluencing. They are working together. It looks like. Let's just check the hourly to see if it's currently confluencing. Gold previously closed bullish. It's ranging. DXY also closed bullish. So that's not a good sign, but it is also ranging. So overall, I'd say DXY, I think, is working together with gold. So we can use DXY. So meaning if gold continues pushing to these levels around 9:30, 9:45, when we want to take our sell, 9:40, 9:35, meaning DXY, we will want to see, continue bullish actually. Yeah, I think that's the plan. DXY needs to continue bullish so gold can continue bearish once we get the setup, once we enter in our trade. So I think that's the plan. That's the little analysis for the day. Now it's just about waiting and seeing. So for today, I wanted to just think about what I've been doing and when I was on my win streak and doing really good, my psychology was a lot better. I wasn't focused on winning. I wasn't focused on taking the best setups. That sounds counterintuitive, but I wasn't. I was focused on learning, and I was focused on seeing if this would work out, and I was trying to figure out all the reasons it wouldn't work out, and I haven't been doing that as much recently. So I want to get back to that. I want to get back to learning to see if I want to get back to learning and caring about progressing and developing my journal, so I have more experience, intuition in the market instead of just trying to win. So that's what this is going to be about. That's what the goal is today, is just to have good psychology, good remembering that I'm just here to learn. I'm here to take trades that I think are have more reasons to work out than reasons they don't work out. And I'm not going to try to win just to win. So that's just what I want to try to remember for the day. Alright, so I'm going to open up stream to the Discord. Good morning, guys. Hopefully we can get a nice top wick on this 4 hour so I can take some sells.
Morning, gang.
How's it going? Take any good trades today?
Nah, not good trades.
Take any bad trades today?
Actually, nah. I would say I took one good trade and one gamble trade.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Did the gamble trade work out?
No, did not.
Didn't gamble enough then. Most people quit before they win.
Oh yeah, for real. Let me go back in, bro.
Yeah, just go back and you got it. I believe in you.
Let me just like all in and make all my losses back.
Did I just hear all in?
Hey,
Yep, like
it's max.
Hey, you're lucky. It's in your name, so you have to win.
For real.
Yeah. I feel like 25 is your lucky number.
What's your lucky number? 17?
Yeah.
How'd you know?
I don't know what my lucky number is. That's a hard question. How about like 37?
Well, I mean, bro, there's not 37 days in a month.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I feel like it's bad for your trading. I'd take like I don't know, bro. I have no clue.
My
The day I pass my first funded, that's gonna be my lucky number.
That'd be a good day. What if then after you pass, then for a whole month you're in profits, and on your lucky number day, you just lose all the money you gained for the month? Would it then
Didn't think about that.
your unlucky day now, since like it betrayed you?
I think the market's rigged. If that happens, it's not my number's fault.
Oh, okay, that's fair. I think my lucky number is 1 through 30.
No, that's fair. So you lose on every 31st?
Oh, that's right. There's a 31st. I forgot. Yeah, that's the only day I lose. Yep.
Oh.
What are you looking for? I didn't have time to check your analysis.
Yeah, no problem. Probably for sales, I'm looking to get up to this 2 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute type 1. Well, not really type 1, but reaction up there. And then I'll probably want to take some sales off of that. That's the idea, but gold needs to continue bullish and push past these ranges if it's going to get up there.
Yep.
Wow.
gold's pushing though, so that's nice.
No.
I'm pretty sure we definitely are bearish. And all we're waiting for is a reversal. Did just reach a 30-minute, 15-minute level. So if we push past this, that's some good signs
For long?
for shorts. I'm waiting for it to
the
push
type
up.
1.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to push up so it can retrace back down for type 1.
I got in on a long scalp, trying to do it on my phone earlier while I was on the road, but I got in on that 1 hour type 1.
Sweet.
Well, I guess it was a 1 hour type 1, 30-minute type 1, just for a quick scalp.
I was looking at that, yeah. It looks pretty
But
good.
the DXY had the initial rejection. We came back up to retest, rejected initially, and I got out already because we're starting to push back up again. So
Yeah.
I'm not. I think it might. I'm overall bearish, but I felt like I don't know. I just keep seeing these 9 a.m. trades, man. Every single time at 9 a.m. there's some sort of opportunity. Sometimes it's 9:30, but
Oh.
Yeah, I'll have to look out for it.
Where's your is it the 1 hour type 1 at 2381? Because I have a level, but it's like not around there. That's why I was like, I think I got it messed up.
on
Yeah.
gold,
Yeah.
you saying where's my 1 hour type 1 at?
Well, like Logan said that he had a
Oh,
1
the one
hour
I'm gonna
type
take.
1,
Oh.
but like my level's a bit like slider down, like not exactly at the type 1. I'm just wondering like where he
Yeah, I mean,
put it.
the type 1 is
Are you using a different broker?
exactly at a level. Oh yeah, we ran into that problem yesterday. Do you use a Wanda?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's not really a proper type 1 anymore, but there's just like the 2 hour. If you look at 2 hours, you can see the previous candle closed
Wow.
bearish on top of that.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah, if we get some decent setups right now, I might. And DXY pushes out, I might consider taking a trade right now, but just overall looking for a bullish 4-hour candle this first hour, and then like I start to ejecting to create the continuation down bearish.
Yep.
But yeah, I think gold needs to break above, probably. I mean, I could see a type 3 forming right now, possibly.
So that's what I was looking for.
Yeah, I think a type 3 could potentially form right now. Would be reacting to a 30-minute level.
DXY just needs to push a bit higher though.
Yeah, exactly.
I have like I think it's a daily. Yeah, I have like a daily open, and it's like right on there. It bounced twice on it. Well,
I think
the level
that's-
kind of have both. It's at like, well, 2375.
2, 3, 7, 5. Yeah, I have the same level, essentially.
Bounced on there twice.
Mine's like 2, 3, 7, 5 point like 5.8.
Yeah.
Yeah, if this 5 minute closes bearish, this could be a 5 minute type. Actually, I never checked to see if 5 minute type ones were even good. Let's check that.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up?
Oh my god. You guys made any trades today?
Not yet. We're currently
Yep.
thinking about one if it sets up nicely.
Oh, okay. Nice.
9 a.m.
9?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I took one when the 1 hour candle opened.
How's it?
Played out pretty nicely. It was a good little scalp for him.
Oh, good stuff.
Got out with about roughly 1.2 R. My entry was not on point because I was trying to do it on my phone while I was driving. I was
Oh,
running late this morning, so I saw the opportunity as soon as I left the house. I'm like in the neighborhood, and I'm like, oh man, stopped to go get some donuts for some
yeah.
breakfast, and was on my phone. I'm like, oh, it just touched the entry, and I hop over to my broker app and try to place the order, and the fill was terrible, but it, wasn't that bad.
Mm.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I'm not liking this trade, Max. Oh wow.
What's up?
I'm not liking this trade, and then it starts dumping.
I might take it if DXY
Yeah, that's my
if
issue.
DXY goes up. Because like
Same
right
here.
now on the daily it's a doji, but we don't trade like those time frames. But if it can, close above that double top at the same time, it would be okay. And then if the 5 minute closes, we could get a 5 minute type one.
You know what? I think I'm gonna get into this trade for this 5 minute type 1, but I'm gonna break even relatively fast.
I've noticed that on most of Tom's trades, the 5 minute type ones that he takes are typically never big setups. They're quick scouts.
Yeah.
Now we just need a 5 minute top wick and then the flip.
Because I mean, this is like a 30-minute type 1, so. All we're waiting for is that 5 minute type 1.
Wow.
Seems like gold has a like 10-minute delay right now from DXY.
Gotcha. DXY is starting to push up. Hopefully gold gives us a pullback.
Yeah, I mean, it's not even a type 3 without the pullback.
Yeah.
DXY is just breaking the highs, so I think shorts seem like a pretty good idea.
This is gonna be a pretty decent setup if we get the pullback. Pullback is like essential though.
We're going to. Would be a very good setup if we do though, because of the XR.
This is a higher time frame setup too. Higher time frame type 3 on the 5-minute. And like the 15-minute looks like a range bound type 3. Same on the 30-minute. Wow, this 5-minute candle is going nowhere.
Yeah.
Well, if we don't get the 5-minute type 1, there's a chance for a 15-minute type 1 in a minute when this closes.
And then your 30-minute is gonna open as well. We could get like a nice wave on the new 30.
That too.
Yikes. Oh gosh.
If it still comes up for a retest, I'm still down to take it.
Yo, what is happening?
I'm gonna get into the trade once it touches that 15-minute level. Did it already touch? Did I miss it? Not quite. RSY is still pushed above, so that's nice.
Yeah, yeah. I feel like I missed it by like a pip.
Yeah, so did I. I got in at, yeah, like, I got in a second later than I should have. It's funny how much that makes a difference.
Yeah, I didn't get in. That's why I was saying that.
Oh, you didn't get in at all.
Yeah.
uh,
I wanted like a pip higher.
it might come back up. This is the 5-minute type 2 on DXY. It's funny. This morning I took a $4 loss, and I didn't even realize I was in drawdown. I was like, "Oh, hey, I'm losing this trade," and then it hit stop loss, and I was like, "Oh, that's kind of annoying." But now it's not, like, I didn't care too much that I was losing money, especially $4. But I'm only $2 in profit right now, and it feels like I've won so much more money than I lost. I can't explain it really well. But, like, does that make sense? Like, I feel like I'm winning so much more than I lost, but I actually don't have that much more money.
Yeah.
I think that was also a 30-minute type 2.
Oh, yeah. A little scuffed looking, but yeah.
Yeah, tad scuffed, but I didn't get an entry on that. I don't know if I'm gonna take it, even if it gives it a second chance here.
Yeah, I'm break even.
That's smart.
Ooh.
Oh fuck.
It's funny now since I'm winning, I just keep thinking about how maybe I should start, trying to do a prop firm, about how I should have put my money into it, about all the things I could have done.
Well, we can try a prop firm, bro. Honestly,
Said what?
bro, you can try a prop firm. It's not bad.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but it's only because I'm winning now, since I think that, like, if I lost, I wouldn't be thinking that. I'd be like, man, I need to wait. I'm not even close to good enough to do a prop firm. I need to wait a whole nother, like, 2 months. If I lost, probably I would start thinking that.
Word.
DXY still is pretty bullish, so that's a good sign.
Hold up signs proclaiming it's for Gaza.
Do we have news today? Do, don't we?
Yeah, I
already
think it
happened.
was earlier.
Yeah, 8:30.
Yeah, it was earlier this morning.
Oh, yeah, you can see that.
There you go.
Nice. I'm trying to decide if I want to break 1 minute lows and hold, or if I'm just going to take profit down there. The way DXY is looking, I'm probably just going to hold past that.
DP.
Yeah, I might take profit. Gonna hold past 1 minute lows.
Yeah, bro, I'm so pissed.
Yeah.
It was like literally like not even half a pip, bro, I swear.
Did you put a limit order?
No, I just wanted it to go like a bit higher. You see like those like I can't even explain it, bro.
Yeah, I mean, it was like exactly 1 pip under where it should have been. The 15-minute type 1. It didn't retest exactly where it should have been, so I got in a little too early, if anything.
It didn't quite reach the 15-minute type 1, but now that I'm looking at it, it was still a 15-minute type 2. And a 30-minute type 2.
What's my risk to reward on this? Yeah, So at 1.5, I guess I technically had already. But hey, if I break even, I break even. Bum, bum, bum. Straight's pretty nice. But I'm wondering if I'm getting too greedy.
No.
I know that's the issue, right? I always close too early, so I'm trying to make sure to hold this time. But if I break even, I'm gonna be pissed.
You didn't TP?
Nope, not yet.
I thought you did.
Believe in yourself, Logan. Hold the trade.
I that's what I need to hear. I will hold until I have $1 million.
Oh.
DXY might be retesting, so we get a nice reversal there. Probably keep going back down.
Oh man, I didn't even look at DXY. DXY is reversing hard.
It's just retesting after the breakout, though, so I wouldn't be too worried.
That's what I'm hoping.
That's some narrow stop loss.
No, I'm break even. So like,
Oh.
my stop loss was way higher. It was up here at first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
DXY is taking the low.
Why don't you take profit? Oh. I mean, like partial profits. Can you guys not do that? Like,
I'm just
partial
risking
profit?
such a small amount of lots. It's not even worth it.
Interesting.
If I had a bigger account, I would.
I think you're good. I think it'll still go back down.
Oh my gosh, DXY is tanking.
Let's go.
Maybe I should just close profit and just say it. That way it's a win.
Maybe you should close at that red line.
That's what I'm thinking.
I mean, are you prioritizing win rate or profit?
I mean, I should be prioritizing profit. But, okay, how about this? Because I'm, like, live trading, I want to prioritize profit, right? Making money. But
I've also, so real quick here, I know in the past you've used DXY to manage your trades. Has
Yeah.
it worked out?
No, ever.
Okay, so now I'll just forget about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Like, in fact, that week had that rule, I actually lost 3 trades because of it. I closed like break even on 3 trades, and then they went full TP right afterwards. So like,
Then set up a TP before opening the position and just let it roll. You lose, you lose. You win, you win.
right? Yeah, that's a good point. So it's just gotta hit my TP. It's gotta get down to the previous lows.
I think managing TP is more important than panic exiting a trade,
I agree.
if
Yeah.
that makes sense.
I agree.
Like,
I think my psychology suffers most when I'm in a trade, not before a trade. I don't get FOMO. I don't get any of that stuff. But when I'm in a trade, I always close too early.
The-
So
The difficult thing is managing the trades for me.
yeah,
looks like this one's gonna play out perfect, so it should probably at least give you an exit back at previous lows, if not push lower.
that's what I'm hoping.
DXY is starting to come back up too. Not that that matters as much, but
Yeah, it's like
Look,
DXY matters when it's going your way, but it doesn't when it's not.
yeah.
Logan, you know what you should do? Like, you
Uh-huh.
set up your stop loss and take profit, yeah?
Yeah.
And instead of taking a walk after your trade, you should take after you have entered a trade and, like, be like, adios.
Oh, big brain. So I should just get up and walk right now then.
Literally, just, like, leave. No
That's
explanation.
Tom do that in
Yeah.
some of his, like, he just, on some of the videos he posts on Instagram, he just walks
Alright.
away.
So this is what I'm gonna do then. I'm just gonna close partials. I won't
Partial
close the trade.
TP and then set your
Yeah.
final TP, I guess.
I have, yeah, and my stop loss is going slightly, it's going to this previous red level. So now that
You know what's
looks managed.
crazy?
What?
I had an entry at that. I guess technically that would be the type 3, that last high that we had.
Oh yeah.
I had an entry up there just for a type 3 based on DXY, nothing else. And I didn't take it. Like, I had a limit order set and I canceled it last minute because DXY was looking sketchy. So it would have played out nice. It would have been a 1 to 4 because I had
Wow.
a tight stop loss, but it was going to be a quarter of my lot size. But
Yeah, it's crazy.
fun times. I already had my win for today, so I'm not pressed. I typically, just like you were saying yesterday, I take too many. I'm looking for too many trades.
Hmm.
But in hindsight, it would have been a good one. But just didn't. The XY just didn't look good. I'm probably gonna hop off until around 1 o'clock, and then I'll be back here around 1.
Sounds good. Yeah, I'm gonna take that walk and let it ride, and if it hits TP, it hits TP.
Oh, there you go. It's actually.
Actually, I may not even have to walk. It's like
Yeah,
2
it might
pips
hit it
away.
right here in the next minute.
You know what you should do? You should move the TP lot, like, more lower, for real.
I'm debating about it. Okay, I'll do
You
that.
reckon that's
No,
nah,
no.
that's probably not smart. That's not smart.
Ah,
You should have a partial TP that's like 80%, and just in case the other 20% does go lower, like,
I just moved stop loss, so if it whatever it goes, it goes. If it reverses, it's just my original TP. That's what I'm doing now.
okay.
Yeah. So it can go farther all at once, but if it starts to reverse, I'll have hit my initial TP.
Time to go for a walk, bro.
Yeah, let's take that walk. I'm trying to manage to. I'll be right back.
A walk. 12 push-ups. 12 push-ups back there. No. He left. No mind who's doing it. No mind who's left. With a book. Say what? Shit.
Did you TP?
Did it?
Sweet.
Damn. Nicely done, man. That's actually beautiful.
I'm so pissed I didn't take it, man. I missed it by like half a pip.
That is mad.
Okay, I'm back.
That was a lovely trade, bro. For real.
Still in it. Still in it, and it's still tanking, so. I was like 2 pips away from being, from my
Yeah.
initial take profit though.
Ocho's working. It was worth, bro. It was worth.
When I was walking, that was a really good idea. I'm happy you said to take a walk.
I don't know. We'll walk
Yeah.
whenever you trade, bro.
What did you say?
Walk whenever you trade.
Yeah, I need to start doing
Are you walk while trading?
that.
Mark fella fox.
When I was walking, I was trying to remind myself the whole time that, like, this trade doesn't matter because it's just for the greater good of learning. And I realized, like, I was realizing how much I was, like, thinking about this specific trade and wanting to win this trade.
Bastard. Oh, what's this trade, man?
Alright, closed. Closed the trade. That was a 1 to 2. It's so hard holding trades for me. That's so weird.
That was a good job, man.
Yeah, no.
Sweet, thanks. Yeah. I closed at the perfect time. It's doing a big reversal now.
Alright, guys. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you tomorrow.
Say no
Yeah.
more, dog.
Yeah.
Yep.
See you later, bro.
Sounds good. See you
Peace
later.
out, man. Have a good day.
got that trade all journaled up.
I'm so mad. Like, bro, it was like not even a pip away. Like, I was about to enter, I was on MT5, everything. No top weight, just straight dump.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know what to say. Like, I don't want to say enter earlier next time, because then, you know, you're going to enter early and get a really bad stop placement, bad ROI, but that's just for you to decide, I guess, if you want to lose more, like, risk to reward, but make sure to get in on a trade.
This sucks.
Yeah, it does just suck. Alright, I think that's going to be it for YouTube, though. I'll see you guys later, YouTube. Bye.